no, feeling bored after exam? Needs little break from studies? Do you want to play outside with friends? Is it possible? No. I have an idea. Let us play some fun indoor games which you can play with your family members sitting at home. I know you will all enjoy it. Definitely you will enjoy. So let's start. Game number 1. Collecting balls with straw. Start game number 1. Collecting balls with a straw. Okay. For this you need 1 or 2 members to compete, and you will fix a time for this. And what we need for this game? Straw, some thermocol balls and a container. So how we will do? We'll take one straw and we'll keep in front of our mouth, and we will try to suck and keep. Suck and keep. One by one. Okay? Let us start the game. Time 20 seconds. Let me see how many balls I can collect. 1, 2, 3, start.
Time up.
Oh no. Let me see. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9. So, if you do, I think you will win. So, play with your mom or dad, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister, anyone. So, it will be a fun. Now, let us go to the second game. Game number 2. Hidden treasure. Game number 2. Hidden treasure. Hidden treasure means I have taken a bowl, one big and one small. It is full of rice. I will see what is inside it. In 20 seconds, you have to find out how many you can collect from inside this rice. Okay, let us start. 1, 2, 3, start. Find. What is there? Oh my God, I got an almond. Find. Let me see. Oh my God, I got 2, 3. Find. Let me find. I got one thing more. A coin. My God, almond. Find. Yes. I got one more coin.
Time up.
Oh no. Only I can find 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 almond and 2 coins. So like this, if you find out more than this, then you are the winner. So how do you like the game? Okay, you also try and write me in my comment box. Okay, let us go to the next game. Game number 3. Shuffling the ball. Number 3. What is the name? Shuffling the ball. I have a ball and I will keep in any one of the glass. Means inside the glass. Now I will shuffle it. I will move here and there. And I will keep again like this in this position. Now the other partner have to guess where is the ball. If he can find, then he is the winner. If he cannot find, loser. So I am keeping a ball in any one of the glass. Now I will shuffle it and guess within 20 seconds. Let us start. Okay? First I will shuffle. I also don't know where is the ball. Let me see. Students, can you guess where is the ball? Under which class? My God, I don't know. I am shuffling it. Guess under which glass the ball is. Let me see. No. Oh my goodness. The ball was here at first. Now it came here. So do you like the game, dear students? Let us go to the next game. Game number 4. Balance the ball. Number 4. What we have to do? Balance with the spoon. I'll keep the ball here and I will put this spoon in my mouth. And one by one I have to sort out balls. So here 2 types of color I will choose, and within 20 seconds how many balls I can keep, and I will see the balance also. Okay, it is balancing game. Let us start.
Time up.
Let me see how many balls I have collected. 1, 2, 3, 3 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 white balls and 3 yellow balls. So like this you can play how many balls you can collect. But this ball should not fall down. Let us go to the next game. Game number 5, making tower. So one by one I am showing the games. Are you enjoying? I am enjoying a lot. Now this is the last one, number 5, game number 5. And I will make a tower with this small cups. This will make balance also. And how you can arrange, let me see, within 20 seconds. First I will arrange 5 glasses. Then one by one how I am showing, let us see. 1, 2, 3, start. If it falls down, then disqualify. Try to have patience. It should not fall down, I think. My God, my hands are shaking.
Time up.
Oh, I have completed. Yes, one clap for me, dear students. So I made a tower and balance also. So like this many games. Oh, sorry. Like this many games you can play at home. Now you are staying in the lockdown. So what? You are playing Ludo, Carom, chess. Apart from that, some funny activities like these games you can play with your family members. Yes or no? So enjoy the game play it with your brother, sister, anybody in your house and enjoy the day. Already you have finished no exam. So you can play the game and you can watch the study material also. I know you all have enjoyed watching these games. And I also know that you all are sincere in your studies. So besides study, play this type of games which will make you happy. So today, up to this. Bye bye.